Hey.
How are you? I'm so excited to see you. And it's like really ugly.
So we're just here in India, and apparently this building here, was it upper? How many people live in it?
Like four people live in it. He's the richest man in the world. At least in India, one of the richest man in the world, and just 4 people live in that house. And I think the electricity bill of that house was like half the electricity consumption in Mumbai or something. That caused a furor. And apparently it brought them bad luck, so they just made it and now they don't live in it. But you have to see that. You have to Google it up. Okay, so we are in Leopold Cafe, which is one of the first and the most famous cafe in Mumbai, and this is like absolute downtown Mumbai. It doesn't look very jazzy because this is how it is. So I don't know if you know, but in 26th November 2010, there were 6 armed terrorists who came into Mumbai and they shot places all over the place, and they actually got into the Taj Hotel, which we'll see later, and they kept hostages and they blew that place up for 3 whole days. There was like a war, right?
Yeah.
So the terrorists came into this cafe and shot it too, and you can see bullet holes. That's the actual bullet holes.
And one is over there.
God, that's crazy.
They just painted the stuff, and when I had come here the last time, there were loads of bullet holes here, and there were a lot of people who died there.
God, like, it's massive.
That is massive.
How many people? Like 50 or something?
I think more than that, because they just came and they opened fire. They came through there's a big plan by Pakistan, so they came through the waterway.
Yeah.
And they were armed like crazy, and they were just shooting random people everywhere. And then the entire Taj Hotel, which is the poshest hotel and there's a history behind that hotel which you should know. They held that entire hotel hostage for 3 days. It took us, and many people died there. And it took the cops whole, and everything was live telecast for 3 days in terms of how they got the terrorists to die. And then they got one terrorist alive, and then of course hung him and stuff like that.
What were they doing though? Like, what was their
mission
purpose?
was just to come and
Create
terror and shoot out in different places, so the city goes to chaos. And you won't believe all that happened. And next day, Bombay was back alive, normal.
Oh my God.
So that's your story for you.
Please, guys, give us that again.
Okay, so that's the Taj Hotel. Okay, now there's a history behind the Taj Hotel. Okay, this is the most posh Taj Hotel in India, or maybe almost all over the world. There's a French architect who designed this hotel. So he came here and gave the designs and did everything and went back to France, and he came back on the day of the opening, and they had actually made this opposite. So what was supposed to face the sea was facing the road, and he committed suicide from the top floor of the
My God.
building. True, that is true. You can look it up, and that is the longitude and latitude of Mumbai. That's like Mumbai.
And where are we in the background, Upper?
That's the gateway of India. So that's the entry point to India. So I'm not going to tell you. You need to go and read and see what's there. You have to go read.
Okay, we're going to go learn more about the gateway of India. Peace.
Bloody all these like.
So we're here at the Gateway of India, and some of the most entertaining things so far is people sneakily filming me. So hopefully by filming this you'll actually get to see it, which will be fun.
Sir, she wants to.
Just 1 second. Sorry? Quick one, just 1 second. I'm just taking a photo of myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Bloody all these like.
Okay, are we crossing? We're just crossing. And we are waiting. And then we are crossing after this car goes. This is how you cross a road in India.
Do you want to explain that to us again?
You know, you just ask the cars to stop. Because the pedestrians are more important. Because if the car even hits me like this, all these people that you see are going to beat up the taxi driver.